Adjusting the stitch. Adjusting stitch length. The standard stitch length setting for serging stitches is 3. To adjust the stitch length, turn the stitch length dial. The smaller the number, the shorter the stitch. Shorter stitches are suitable for lightweight fabrics. The larger the number, the longer the stitch. Longer stitches are suitable for heavyweight fabrics. Adjusting differential feed ratio. Set the dial at 1.0 for regular sewing. Adjust the differential feed ratio when sewing fabrics that tend to stretch or pucker. The differential feed ratio can be altered by turning the differential feed dial. If the fabric being sewn tends to pucker, set the dial to a lower number. If the fabric being sewn is stretchy, set the dial to a higher number.